Welcome back to this very special edition of Houston Life, coming to you from New Braunfels. Okay, so the temperature outside is rising. The kids are just about out of school, so it is the perfect time to think about packing up the car and making the drive to a water park. Lauren Kelly, who's having all the fun today, has made her way over to Schlitterbahn, and something tells me she's found some fun. Hi, Lauren.
Well, it is about that time. The heat is up and the water park is almost open. Schlitterbahn here in New Braunfels is one of the best in the world because it has pretty much the best rides and the best staff here. Come on over, Angela. You are a veteran of over 20 years here at Schlitterbahn. First of all, when can guests officially start enjoying Schlitterbahn Water Park this summer?
Well, Schlitterbahn is open weekends right now, but the official summer season kicks off Memorial Day weekend.
And we're not talking any water park. How many acres of water park is Schlitterbahn?
There is 70 acres of water park with over 50 attractions, and New Braunfels is an amazing place to come, and there is something for everyone at Schlitterbahn.
Something for everyone, something for all ages. What are we looking at behind us? Which rides do we have here?
Well, this is our world-famous award-winning Blast Tower with the Master Blaster uphill water coaster. And there's two other rides that are amazing too, the Black Knight and the Wolfpack Family Ride.
Now, for families watching who want to come out this summer, they want to get the season pass, what are the details on that?
Oh, well, the season pass is very easy and it is a great value right now. In fact, for our friends in Houston, if you buy a Texas 2 Splash, you can get visits all summer to Schlitterbahn, New Braunfels, and Galveston. So it's a great deal, and the price goes up after Memorial Day.
I'm telling you, that is the best way to do it because after only a few visits, it pays for itself, right?
It totally does. It really is a great family value for family fun, and my kids come here all the time.
Now, after you being a veteran here for so many years, could I ask you what is your favorite ride here?
Oh, that is such a great question. Honestly, my favorite ride is right beside us.
Yeah.
It is the Torreway River. It is an endless river of waves, and you can just go around and around, and it is relaxing and exciting at the same time. The best ride.
Oh my God, you said the keywords that are music to my ear. Relaxing and exciting at the same time. Angela, info on season passes and park hours, where can we find it?
You can get all of that information at schlitterbahn.com, as well as see any events that are happening and any changes. Go follow us on social and just see everything there.
So if I need to go purchase a bathing suit, can you direct me in the right direction?
Oh yeah, we actually have really great retail options.
Good.
And I bought my daughter a swimsuit here yesterday.
Okay, I'm gonna go do the same thing and maybe some sunscreen too.
Yes, perfect.
All right, Derek, back to you.
Lauren, thanks so much. You can check out the water park calendar or buy your ticket or season pass by visiting them online, schlitterbahn.com. All right, up next, two of the coolest places to grab a beer in the Texas Hill Country. We are taking you inside a cool spot, a beer garden serving up authentic German food in the heart of New Braunfels. And Mel Camp is trying out the craft beers at Guadalupe Brewing. Mel?
Oh my goodness, I'm halfway through my beer. I think I need a top up, but look at this. Guadalupe Brewing Company have a pizza kitchen, and if you swing over here, check out this beautiful little area where you can enjoy a brew. And I am heading towards where they make this magic, and I'm gonna get a top up, all right? And we will find out more about Guadalupe Brewing Company coming up on Houston Life. Cheers!